SPD for me. Hi everyone, we're ARXX. So nice to see you. Sorry, the cable fell out mid-song, so I was having to watch the light. It didn't go very well. Apologies. There was a real concentration phase going on. Does everybody want to take like 2 or 3 steps in so that you can all suffer the same amount of heat that we're suffering? Is everybody having a nice day? Excellent. Same. It's lovely to be here. Thanks for having us. We're going to play a brand new song now. We haven't even played it to our label, which is Subcat. So consider this the meeting. Thank you so much. Do you want to test your click, honey? It's there. Can I have a little bit more, please? I'm being a bit greedy. Now, yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Thank you so much. All right. So, would you guys mind joining in with this song? Yeah. Brilliant. It's called Good Boy. And when I say, tell me what you want, you say, good boy. Hi. Have you got it? Yeah. No, can you do it again? Yeah, no. It's the one time, you've got to remember it. Tell me I'm a good boy, tell me I'm good. Tell me what you want, what you dying that you could. I know that you care, but I wish that you would. Tell me I'm good, tell me I'm good. You can lose your power when you have over me. You don't know how bad I want you to take the lead. I could be your baby, I could be your man. Anything you want, I'll do everything I can. What I'm saying, no, I'm not playing. Tell me I'm a good boy, tell me I'm good. Tell me what you want, what you dying that you could. I know that you care, but I wish that you would. Tell me I'm good, tell me I'm good. Tell me what you want, tell me what you want, good boy. What you want, tell me what you want. Tell me what you want, tell me what you want. It's very fucking hot in here. Thanks for coming to see us. We're called ARXX. We're from Brighton. I think we're in Liverpool. We've not been home for quite a long time. So,
welcome.
Thank you. I probably thought it was Monday in 3 days, so we're going well. So. What day is it? It's Sunday. It's a bank holiday, would you believe? Yeah, we were like, what's everything shut in Liverpool? I was like, oh, right, I see.
Tell them who you did touring with though, Clara. Tell them.
Who we're touring with? We're touring with Fletcher. She's an American pop star. We're not American pop stars, I think you can't tell. This one's for you, Carlos.
Yay!
Please. I'm sure she's here. We're coming down. And we're playing a headline tour in November. Thank you. Sorry. We haven't slept very well, in case you can't tell. In November, we're not playing Liverpool, which is very sad, but we're playing lots of... Oh, I'm sorry. Playing close. We're playing Manchester, yeah. I think it's the 3rd of November, but I really could be wrong on that, so please check, because I have no idea. I think it might be the 1st. Oh! The 1st!
Okay, this next song, we usually dedicate it to people who have just gone through a breakup, but there's a smaller pool in the room right now, so, is anyone going through a breakup? Brilliant, this song is for you too. Everyone else can just enjoy it, okay?
Myself with me. Everything's
recorded this much in a long time. Is my bass still coming out there, yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. Yeah. Alright, we've got 2 more songs.
10 more songs. 10 more
10 more
songs.
songs! This next song is our most recent single. It's called Crying in the Car Wash. If you want to sing along, you should. It's about a time where we got like the best news of our career, and I was on the phone to my manager in the car wash and I cried a lot. It was a nice day. Carl, would you need anything?
A cold towel, but no, I'm fine.
Alright, shall we do it? This is Crying in the Car Wash, everybody. Alright guys, I've never been so freaking hot. I have a fan, do you know it's at home? That's so sad. Thanks for coming to watch us, this has been very lovely. Hope you have a lovely rest of your festival. We are ARXX, please buy our tickets. What else do I have to say? We have merch, if you want merch. We have hats. We have vinyls, we have t-shirts, we have carabiners, we are a gay band, can you tell? Yeah, what have you got to say, darling?
Nothing. I think you covered it well. Thank you to our lovely label, Submarine Cat.
Yeah, can I get a little bit more vocal for this last one? Thank you so much, darling. And this last song is called Ride or Die. It's the title track of our album, which came out on Submarine Cat. And you have to sing along. It's compulsory. I'm so sorry. When I say would you ride, you say I would. Got it? When I say would you die, you say I would. Yeah, it's all pretty simple here. Entry level stuff. How are you feeling? Alright, thank you. We've been ARXX Ride or Die. Thanks so much.